10 Laws of Success. Integrating the laws of success into your life. Integrating the laws of success into your life refers to the application of a set of fundamental principles that can lead to personal and professional growth. This executive summary provides an overview of each of the laws and their significance. Law 1. Clarity of vision. Setting clear goals. Establishing well-defined objectives provides a sense of direction and purpose, guiding decision-making and actions. Vision and imagination. Cultivating a vivid vision and using imagination helps in visualizing success and sparking creativity. Law 2. Persistence and resilience. Overcoming adversity. Resilience enables individuals to bounce back from setbacks and adapt to challenges, fostering personal growth. Building grit and determination. Persistence involves the determination to persevere in the face of obstacles, turning setbacks into opportunities. Law 3. Continuous learning and adaptability. The power of knowledge. Lifelong learning broadens horizons, enhances skills, and fosters adaptability in a rapidly changing world. Embracing change. The ability to adapt to new circumstances is essential for personal and professional development. Law 4. Effective communication. Mastering verbal and nonverbal cues. Effective communication involves not only what is said, but also how it is conveyed through body language and tone. Active listening and feedback. Actively listening to others and providing constructive feedback enhances relationships and collaboration. Law 5. Networking and relationships. Building meaningful connections. Establishing genuine relationships with others can lead to support, opportunities, and personal growth. The strength of community. A strong network and community provide a sense of belonging and a platform for collaboration and shared learning. Law 6. Time management. Prioritizing tasks. Efficient time management involves identifying and focusing on high-priority tasks to maximize productivity. Balancing work and life. Achieving a healthy work-life balance ensures overall well-being and prevents burnout. Law 7. Financial acumen. Understanding wealth. Financial literacy empowers individuals to make informed decisions about wealth management and investment. Smart financial planning. Planning for financial goals and emergencies is crucial for long-term financial security. Law 8. Health and well-being. Physical fitness. Maintaining physical health through regular exercise and a balanced diet enhances overall well-being. Mental health. Prioritizing mental health and emotional well-being is essential for resilience and personal growth. Law 9. Leadership and influence. Leading with integrity. Effective leadership is rooted in honesty, ethics, and setting a positive example. Inspiring others. Influence is built by inspiring and motivating others to achieve their potential. Law 10. Innovation and creativity. Cultivating creativity. Creativity is nurtured through curiosity, open-mindedness, and a willingness to explore new ideas. The role of innovation in success. Innovation drives progress and offers new solutions to old problems, fostering personal and professional success. In conclusion, integrating these laws into one's life involves adopting a holistic approach to personal and professional development. By incorporating clarity of vision, persistence, continuous learning, effective communication, networking, time management, financial acumen, health and well-being, leadership, and innovation, individuals can embark on a journey of growth, fulfillment, and achievement. These laws serve as guiding principles to navigate the complexities of modern life and unlock one's full potential.